What's up? Got a new camera. So much better than the other one. The other one was all dark and all the shadows. There's like, today I'm gonna be talking about how I grew my TikTok. I think there's 3 keys in order to grow your TikTok fast. First is consistency. Second is the amount that you post every single day. And then the third is like original content and how original you could be and unique with no one else making videos like you. When I started, I posted about 10 videos or so, and then I just didn't really pay attention to TikTok. And then once I started hand making the shoes again, I decided to make a TikTok, and about 6 videos into it, it blew up, and from there I knew I should probably get a hold of that momentum and keep on going. So what I did was just keep on posting videos every single day, and I think I've posted at least 1 video now for the past 2 or 3 months. So I started later than most people, but I was able to grow very fast on it, and as I am right now, I'm still growing, which I'm very lucky for. I think how much you post each day is a big factor as well. Just whether it's 1 to 5 videos, I think it really changes how many followers and likes and all that you get from, you know, maybe posting 1 a day compared to posting 3 to 5 videos a day, which one of those can pop off. I think posting 3 to 5 videos a day is a sweet spot. Being able to have really good videos that, you know, people want to watch over and over again, share, comment, you know. I think if you're able to get 3 good videos every single day, trying to, you know, ride the trends, ride the popular songs or sounds, I think that's a really good way to be able to grow and keep on going. Sounds are a big deal, I think, because they could pop up on people's For You pages if they really like that sound, or they tend to listen to that sound a lot more than others. Then if you pick the sounds that are on the trending page, in my opinion, I think you'll post up on more people's pages, and then you'll be able to get more views, which, you know, gets more likes, gets more shares, gets more followers. So I think if you stick in the trend of getting the very trendy songs, I think that will work as well. And also, you know, doing the most popular hashtag type videos, trying to stay in that trend, trying to use as much of those as well, while being, you know, having original flavor, original twist on the video. And third, I think, is just being original, being yourself. Don't try to be somebody else. For example, mine, I'm making shoe videos from scratch, you know. So for example, you know, making stuff like this, as far as I know, no one's really hand making shoes from scratch on TikTok right now, at least from what I haven't seen. So I mean, posting stuff like this, how I made it from scratch, I think it's a very very unique topic at the moment right now. More people might be doing that, but for now most people are painting shoes and stuff like that. But I haven't really seen many people stitching and sewing like stuff together, even stitching stuff onto shoes. So I think I've been able to get in that niche in the very beginning, and now I just got to keep on producing videos, keep on making them. I think, for example, the off-white shoes that I just made for my buddy, those videos have been doing really good. And now I'm going to start doing Air Force One shoes, because in my opinion, I've seen how the Air Force Ones are kind of the most popular shoe that people are customizing more than Vans, more than Jordans, more than, you know, any other shoe that you could think of. So I think making a Air Force One from scratch on TikTok can really blow up, as, you know, trying to put my unique twist on it. So when people see it, they want to watch, you know, the full 10 seconds, 30 seconds, maybe it's a full-on minute. I think that's what will get people to follow mine, for example. And some other things to take away, you know, just be unique and also have fun with it. Don't make videos that you feel like, you know, it's a chore to do every single day, you know. You feel like, oh, I gotta make a video today, because then people notice that your content, you know, isn't genuine, I guess they don't want to watch it, which, you know, doesn't convert. You know, just keep on making videos, keep on producing as much as you can every single day. Posting 3 videos a day is like where I think it's a sweet spot. Some people post 5 videos a day. For example, you know, dancing videos, you could post as many dancing videos as you want, but like for my position, it's kind of hard to make 5 different videos if it's a really slow process. You can't really post the same stitch like 4 or 5 times a day, because it's pretty much the same video, just different sounds or different edits or whatever, if that makes sense. So if you made it this far, comment what shoe I should make next. I'm more leaning towards an Air Force 1, but I'm kind of keeping my options open between a Jordan 3 and a Jordan 4. But as of now, I think I'm going to do a Air Force 1. But like, let me know what you would like to see, maybe a theme, maybe a color, different materials. I haven't picked out a sole or anything yet. I don't even know what they're going to look like. So right now I'm in the creative part, which is, you know, just super fun. So if you made it this far, thank you. I appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe, like, share this video out. The goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers, so thank you for everyone that's been commenting. I got a new camera now, so I'm excited about that. Got a new mic, so the videos should be a lot better now. So let me know what you think. Thank you for all you guys been doing, watching these videos, and till next time, see ya.